Today's topic is allergic conjunctivitis part 1. Allergic conjunctivitis. It is the inflammation of the conjunctiva due to allergic or hypersensitivity reactions, which may be immediate, that is humoral, or delayed, that is cellular. When comparing to the skin, the conjunctiva is 10 times more sensitive than the skin to allergens. Types of allergic conjunctivitis. 1. Simple allergic conjunctivitis. 2. Vernal keratoconjunctivitis VKC. 3. Atopic keratoconjunctivitis AKC. 4. Giant papillary conjunctivitis GPC. 5. Ficellular keratoconjunctivitis PKC. 6. Dermatoconjunctivitis ADC. ADC means allergic dermatoconjunctivitis. Today we will discuss about the first type, that is simple allergic conjunctivitis. It's of two types, seasonal allergic conjunctivitis, that is SAC, and perennial allergic conjunctivitis, that is PAC. Simple allergic conjunctivitis. It is a mild, non-specific allergic conjunctivitis. It is characterized by itching, hyperemia, and mild papillary response. Basically, it is an acute or subacute urticarial reaction. Etiology. Simple allergic conjunctivitis is a type 1 immediate hypersensitivity reaction mediated by IgE, that is immunoglobulin E, and subsequent mast cell activation following exposure of ocular surface to airborne allergens. Family history of atopy or allergy might be present. Simple allergic conjunctivitis is known to occur in two forms. 1. Seasonal allergic conjunctivitis, short form SAC. 2. Perennial allergic conjunctivitis, short form PAC. 1. Seasonal allergic conjunctivitis, also known as SAC. Seasonal allergic conjunctivitis is a response to seasonal allergens such as tree and grass pollens. It is of very common occurrence and may be associated with hay fever, that is allergic rhinitis, and also known as hay fever conjunctivitis. It manifests as acute allergic conjunctivitis. Second one, perennial allergic conjunctivitis, also known as PAC. It is a response to perennial allergens such as house dust, animal dander, and mite. It is not so common. The onset is subacute. The condition is chronic in nature and occurring all through the year. Pathology behind allergic conjunctivitis. Pathological features of simple allergic conjunctivitis comprise vascular, cellular, and conjunctival responses. First, we will see the vascular response. The vascular response is characterized by sudden and extreme vasodilatation and increased permeability of vessels leading to exudation. The second one is the cellular response. It is in the form of conjunctival infiltration and exudation in the discharge of eosinophils, plasma cells, and mast cells producing histamine and histamine-like substances. The third one, conjunctival response. It is in the form of boggy swelling of conjunctiva followed by increased connective tissue formation and mild papillary hyperplasia. Clinical features. Symptoms include intense itching and burning sensation in the eyes associated with watery mucus, stringy discharge, and mild photophobia. Signs include hyperemia and chemosis, which give a swollen, juicy appearance to the conjunctiva. Mild papillary reaction may be seen on palpebral conjunctiva. Edema of lids is often present. Diagnosis of allergic conjunctivitis. The diagnosis is made from typical symptoms and signs, normal conjunctival flora, and presence of abundant eosinophils in the discharge. Treatment. 1. Elimination of allergens if possible. 2. Artificial tears like carboxymethyl cellulose provide soothing effect. 3. Desensitization have been tried without much rewarding results. We homeopaths can treat allergy and can give complete cure if it is allergic rhinitis, allergic asthma, or allergic conjunctivitis. Take the totality of symptoms, find out the minimum, give in correct potency, the patient will get complete cure. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye bye.